Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquin. This is another video on Python's library Pandas, and today I will show you how to handle missing data in Excel file using Pandas. To do that, I am using here three different methods. One is fillna, another is dropna, and another is interpolate method. Okay, actually the fillna method is used to fill the missing value with a specified value. Okay, for dropna method is concerned, it is used where a value is missing. Okay, and for interpolate method is concerned, it is used to estimate the missing value, but this method is only used for the numeric value. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Using Python ideally, I will show you today's video step by step. So let's dive in. Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquin. So today's problem is that how to handle missing data in Excel file using Pandas module. Okay, so to do that we need three different methods. One is fillna, another is dropna, and also the another method is interpolate. Okay, so I just write the code and then explain step by step. So at first we import the Pandas module. So just write import Pandas as PD, just make the alias, and then what happened, this is my Excel file. Actually the name of the Excel file is item underscore missing data, and this file, this XLSX file, just stored in my E drive ML folder. So just see, for an example, there have some tables there, some color is missing for the item ID is I3, item name is table, the color is missing, also the price is missing for this rug for the item number I4, and also the class is missing for the file cabinet, the item number is I2, and also the city is missing for same way the rug for the item ID I4. Now how to fill this particular missing value with some default values or some specific value? So in that case we are using the method fillna. Okay, and whatever the row just contain the missing values, we just drop it, means we remove the rows using the dropna, this particular method. And also whatever the missing is there, we just put some estimated value according to the surrounding value, whatever the value, whatever we are estimating. But this interpolate, this method is only applicable for the numeric value, not for the string. Okay, so we just took this particular Excel file, means we have read that file. So in that case we write in that way, df equal, and then just call the read underscore Excel, this method. So pd dot read underscore Excel. Okay, and send the path at first E drive ML folder, and then we put the file name. The file name is item underscore missing data, item underscore missing data. Okay, and dot xlsx double quotient comma. Okay, and then we just use here the engine is open py excel, this module. So just write here engine equal, within double quote just write open py excel double quotient and this close. Okay, so that means we read the Excel file. Now we do at first to print the data in the console, and then we do the fillna, dropna and interpolate method. Okay, so now we just write here in that way, print original data with missing values, new line, and then we just write in that way df dot to underscore string, and as an argument just send index equal false to ignore the row indices. Okay, so it will print the original data with the missing value. Now we are using the fillna method, which is used to fill the missing value with some specific value, right? So in that case we use in that way, df underscore fill, and then just write equal df dot fillna, and then we put some default value and as a dictionary format. So we already know the color is missing, so just write color, this is the key, and the value suppose we put here, the default value is suppose unknown, okay, double quote. Now the another is part is concerned about the price. Price is also missing, yes, price is also missing for case. So in that case we use some the numeric value, so in that case we put here suppose 0, okay. And then another missing is that for class, and also it's a not a numeric, so that's why you put here unknown, single quote, whatever, put in a single quote. And also missing your city, so just write city and just write within double quote suppose unknown, okay. So we put the default values for the fillna method is concerned, okay. Now we just print it same way, print, and then just write filled missing values with defaults, okay. And then we put a new line and also put the double quote, comma, and same way just write in that way df underscore fill dot to underscore string for ignoring the index row indexes, so index equal false, okay. So we already put some default value for missing data is concerned. Now we go for to drop the missing value rows where the missing value is present, because the dropna method is used to drop the rows or columns where any missing value is present, okay, or any value is missing, okay. So in that way we just write df underscore dr equal df dot dropna. Simple, in that way you just call the method, okay. And now we just print in that way, print data after drop, new line, double colon, comma, just call df underscore dr dot to underscore string index equal false, FALAC, parenthesis close, okay. Now use the interpolate, which is used to estimate the numeric missing value, okay. Now friends, I'm just using the another method which is interpolate, okay. Now I already told interpolate method is used to estimate the missing value, but it is only used for the numeric column, rows, or numeric value is concerned, means numeric value is concerned. So in my table, just see the price is only the numeric, but color, class, city, they are not numeric. So we are using this interpolate for this particular price, this particular column or the row is concerned, okay. So in that case we write in that way, df within square bracket just write price, this is the column name, then again write df and just write again within single quote price, single quote close, the square bracket close, dot, then just call interpolate, okay. And now we just print the data after estimating the value, so just write print and again use a new line, then just write interpolated data, put a new line, double quote, comma, and before also put some double quote, and now we just print df dot to underscore string and send as argument index equal false, parenthesis close, other parenthesis close. Save the file, we already saved the file within the Python file is concerned pa8.py, okay. Now run this module, just press F5. Just see, at first it shows the original data, whatever the missing value, just put some NaN, put this NaN every part, okay. Means for my Excel file is concerned, this is a missing value, missing value, missing value, missing value. So this position just put NaN, right? Field missing values with default. For color put unknown, for price put 0, class for unknown, city for unknown. Okay, data after drop, what the data, just see, only for my Excel file is concerned, no missing values for only the item ID I1 and I5, but I2, I3, I4, every part some missing value is there. So what it dropped actually, all the rows where the missing value is there, where the value is missing. So that's why only these 2 rows they are showing after drop, because this 2 row doesn't contain any missing value. And after interpolated data, we already told only applicable for the numeric value. So in my case, the price have the missing value is there, so it's estimated surrounding value according to the rug. This color is purple, price estimated 120.605, right? So in that way we can handle the missing data in Excel file using Pandas module. For that case we are using 3 different methods: fillna, dropna and interpolate method. I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos, and also write in the comment section what type of video you want to see. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.